Good day everyone, especially to our instructor Sir Leo Arcayos, and today we will discuss the recommended construction of watertight bulkheads in ships as per SOLAS regulations. SOLAS regulations require watertight bulkheads on ships to be constructed with the specific materials and the structural designs to ensure their effectiveness in preventing flooding. They are typically made of steel plating and vertical stiffeners with corrugated bulkheads offering an alternative to increase strength while reducing weight. The spacing and placement of these bulkheads, including the collision bulkheads, are also governed by SOLAS regulation to ensure optimal ship stability and survivability. Key aspects of constructing watertight bulkheads as per SOLAS. Material design: high quality steel plating with appropriate thickness based on the ship size and anticipated loading conditions. Vertical stiffeners to enhance structural integrity and resist water pressure. Consideration of bulkheads, location, and potential forces it may encounter. Collision bulkhead need extra reinforcement. Placement bulkheads: collision bulkheads located between 5% and 8% of the ship's length up of the forward perpendicular. Machinery space bulkheads situated at the ends of the engine room to contain flooding in case of damage. After peak bulkhead enclosing the stern tube and rudder trunk in the watertight compartment. Watertight doors and accesses. All openings in bulkhead must be fitted with watertight doors or hatches with reliable closing mechanism. Doors should be capable of remote evacuation from the navigation bridge. Visual and audible alarms to indicate doors status open or closed. Testing and maintenance: regular inspection and testing of watertight doors and bulkheads to ensure proper functionality. Periodic hydrostatic testing to verify watertight integrity. And that's all. Thank you.